Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn about the ServiceNow display business rule and G underscore scratchpad use. Okay, so what is the need of the display business rule and G underscore scratchpad? So display business rule always run first, then your onload client scripts will run. Okay, so display business rule always run once your form is getting loaded. So let's say there is a requirement from my side that once the form is loaded, I need the current user manager name. Okay, so how I am going to do that thing? So for that thing I will be search with the business rule. Okay, business rule. Here let me create a new. I am giving the name as display table incident. Click on advanced, click on type is display. What it will do, I need the the caller manager ID. Okay, so for that thing what I will do, where manager, okay, manager is equals to current dot caller underscore id dot. Okay, here I'm going to do the dot just because of this caller field is a reference field. Okay, if I'm click on this I record I icon, so I can see, let's say this is the able tutor and who is the manager of this able tutor, that I need to check. But here is no manager field is available, so let me bring that thing over here through the form design or form builder, whatever you want to take, you can take that thing. So let me search the field name called manager. See, it is there. So I have bring that thing over here, click on save. If I reload this thing, so as of now there is no manager we have selected, right? So I am taking, let's say Abraham Lincoln is the manager of able tutor. Okay, so what I will do, current dot caller id dot manager, what is the name of that field? I need to check that first, just because I am doing a dot work. Okay, dot work. So manager, again in the manager I need the user id of that manager needs to be shown over there. Dot, what is the name of that field? User id, user underscore name, user underscore name. Okay, now here I'm going to write this js dot add info message manager. Let's see, let me just save it, and let's say I am going to load this incident form. So will it giving me the manager of the, see, it is giving the manager user id is Abraham Lincoln. Okay, now let's say I want to do some kind of things through my onload client script. There also I need to pass this thing, means I don't want to show this thing as a message like the info. I want to show this thing as a alert. So what I will do here, I will be use G underscore scratchpad dot manager. here I will be store this manager variable value, okay, like this. Now I am going to save this script and I am going to create a onload client script on the incident table. So let me search with the client scripts. Here if I click on new, and let's say onload script, I am giving the name like this. Table I am giving incident, and here on load I am giving. And now I am going to do like this alert. Here I am going to pass this thing g underscore scratchpad dot manager, okay. This thing only I am going to pass over there. Now if I save it, I do not need any script include to interact with the server at the loading time of the form. So you guys can see now, see Abraham Lincoln, this thing coming as a pop-up. There is another more thing also you can use. Let's say you want to do like this, that if user has some ongoing incident count, okay, that also we are going to be covered in the next scenario. So next scenario we are going to learn about the glide aggregate, okay.